Check.
Hello guys, today we will preparing again the French cuisine. In this cuisine, I will prepare two recipe. This recipe is the cognac shrimp with beurre blanc, which means shrimp with white butter. These are the ingredients of this recipe. Butter, the salt, the white pepper, the garlic, the cognac, but there's no cognac. We will substitute the white wine, the spinach, the heavy cream, and lastly, the shrimp. Let's go! Let's cook the French cuisine cognac shrimp with beurre blanc.
Simmer the shallots with white wine and lemon juice in a small saucepan over the low-medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes until the mixture is reduced to about 2 tablespoons. After that, add the cream and bring to just under a simmer. When the first few bubbles rise, turn the heat down very slightly and add the 12 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon at a time, whisking constantly. Be sure to allow 1 pot of butter to melt completely before adding the next. Once the butter is fully incorporated, season with beurre blanc with white pepper and set aside. And escalate over high heat, melt the 5 tablespoons of butter and then saute the shrimp, turning a few times until cooked through, about 3 to 4 minutes. Reduce the heat to low and season the shrimp with salt. Then carefully add the cognac or be prepared because it can maybe flame when you put this cognac and stir thoroughly.
Now, this is the second recipe of the French cuisine, the non-fierce spinach souffle. These are the ingredients of this recipe: crushed garlic, salt, pepper, parmesan cheese, the eggs, and spinach, and you can also substitute with lettuce or katlan.
In medium bowl, whisk together egg, milk, cheese, garlic, salt, and pepper. Mix it all the ingredients. Then after that, fold in spinach. Then place in a small casserole dish or any dishes that you can put these ingredients that you mix. After that, after mixing all the ingredients and already put in the dishes, bake it into the preheat oven for over 20 minutes until it's slightly set.
Hello again, my viewers. Today, I already made my third cuisine, the French cuisine. I prepared the cognac shrimp with beurre blanc and the no fear spinach souffle. By the way, I'm Miss Jonaline from MSU MSAT, a BSHM student, and again, my ultimate partner and tasting my cuisine that I prepared, Mr. Oliver Lagudas. Sir, can you please start taste the French cuisine? This one.
Maylin ako man ay Maylin. Junay sigunda. Happy anniversary.
Ini siya.
Ano yung common sa barko ni siya, common pero ako katilaw sa barko, dahil ako katilaw sa malang. Kayo.
Kami.
Kami on.
Kisang lami.
Sana alam.
Kani sunod.
Yeah.
Ipon. Hindi ko palabyan eh kay mga tol man ko silang kabuok. Dami gapon siya. Puro lami.
Kanalan ko lang.
Pila ba?
How's my rate, sir, about my...
Mo 100 din ko ganina, yung tinan karon 100 din yun eh. Lami.
Sir, thank you, sir, for the nice compliment.
Welcome.
That's all. Thank you.
Singalan? Singalan ni?